Hello everyone. Uh, Hope you guys are all safe from the bug that's been traveling around the world and giving us the best 2 years of our lives. Uh, Happy New Year. I know it's mid-January, but um, Happy New Year. It's the first video in a while. Um, Also, sorry about the terrible sound, but this is the only microphone I've got. But just to give you a quick update, I haven't been really listening to radio or whatever because I have been having some personal projects, non-radio related. So it has been taking a lot of time from me, and also uh, I felt in a while to have this kind of obligation to post a few videos uh, twice or thrice a week, and I was having a little bit of anxiety. So I just stepped back and life took over, but no issues whatsoever. I just uh, stopped, you know, making videos. But here I am again with an interesting project, uh, shortwave related. Actually, I'll be trying to make this project as my next project. Uh, Shortwavevlog.com. It's a passive loop antenna. It's a little bit of coax, a ferrite, and just connected to the radio, and that's it. It's a homebrew version of the U-loop, I think. I don't know who makes it. Mm, yeah, that's it. AirSpy does it, yeah. So this is pretty much the uh, the homebrew version of this. So that's what I'm trying to do. Basically this, but following Tom's instructions, I couldn't get my head around uh, on a few steps here. So I actually found out some check some tweet that actually uh, made the schematics a little bit easier. And this is it. So it's loading. Yeah, here it is. Schematics. So this is what I'll probably be doing. So this is probably the easiest way to um, conceive or to make the the U-loop or a homebrewed version of the U-loop. Just a coax cable shorted here and with a ferrite with 4 turns, and that's it. So as Tom explained on his blog post, this is all pretty much DIY with um, salvage goods. So coax cable, a ferrite core that I believe he had to purchase, and that's pretty much it. A few connectors, but probably Tom, being Tom, has a lot of those lying around. Um, so yeah, that's what I did. I tried to salvage a few items from my work, and I got it on video, so it's easier for me to just uh, show you guys what I got. As you can see, they already at my work call me Mr. Ferrite because I managed to salvage a few ferrites from old um, monitors. These ones are from VGA cables, I think. No, these two are from VGA cables. This one and this one, I think, are from old CRT monitors. TFT monitors. Well, before after the CRT monitors, these ones, these white ones, these are really big, uh, big ferrite cores. As you can see, these are relatively normal. See, it's pretty much hard work to extract the cable because the cable was, glued to this. So with a few screwdrivers and persistence, I managed to get the cable out of it. But these are pretty solid. But these ones, these are hefty. These are big ferrite cores from really old power cables from, I think it was power. Is it from power? No, it was actually from sorry, from the video signal. So the video cable was actually going through these cores, and these are really heavy. It's probably from a 90s monitor, I think, or early 2000s, so the quality must be really, really different. As you can see, these ones are really smaller. Obviously, the power output is different, but yeah. And this one, I can't remember where I got it. I just did. So I have a few ferrites for this, but the tricky thing is so yeah, comparing these two, as you can see, this is a lot of ferrite and not as much ferrite. And this is what I'll be using to connect to a radio. This is an old speaker cable that connected to the computer to from the computer to a pair of speakers, and I just clipped a damaged uh, point and stripped the cable already, and I'll be winding this part of the cable around the ferrite core. So as you can see in the background, I already have the coax, just simple coax cable that I wanted to use on this project, but as I found out afterwards, I couldn't use it because the braid that was used here is mostly aluminum, and I can't solder the blade unless I use silver soldering. So I have to clip it or find anything else. So I just decided to use um, old speaker cable. Oh, also, I've been posting on GitHub um, a few things McNulty related, which is my long wire antenna that I did this summer. So I started, but the STL files are already here, so you can download and make it. So the STL for the isolator, I just have to credit all this, and yeah, I'll also be posting my final model because this is just a test run on my abilities to craft such a thing and to repurpose uh, old ferrite components that I have on my job. So I'll be using regular speaker wire to do the shorting and obviously the loop. Let's see how it goes. So feel free to drop on my or keep an eye on my GitHub account. I'll link it in the video description. Also link it on the YouTube profile thingy. And yeah, drop me a line on Twitter as well. Here I am. See? Here I am. Yep, this is slow. See? So I went from a complete cable to salvage ferrites. Yeah. So, oops, sorry. some Portuguese literature. So drop me a line everywhere. All right, let's keep posting and connected. All right, so I'll be posting updates on my ferrite, on my homebrewed loop antenna, and we'll see how it goes and how it derives from a homebrewed version of this to maybe to to here or to something completely different. So again, hope you guys are all right. Drop me a line, and we'll see you around in 73s for everyone. And oh, by the way, uh, a special viewer knows this is for him, and this is my baby. So I think he'll be quite Ron will be quite pleased to see my these two wheels. Well, have a great week, everyone. 7 threes. Over.